Boys, let's be honest here. There is a lot of different styles out there, from super dapper to minimal to hype piece. You name it, it's out there. And I'm here trying to tell you what girls actually want you to wear. But what if we heard it from the woman's mouth? Boys, TMF University, it's back in session, and today you're gonna graduate because we're bringing another study. We brought in 10 girls and 10 guys. The 10 guys will be dressed in completely different fits, from suits to hype beast, you name it. I designed an outfit for them. Then the girls are gonna judge the guys on how attractive they are, but here's the catch. We're gonna cover their faces. All they're judging is their fits. This is gonna be good.
Just a quick question, do you know who this guy is?
No.
Okay, perfect.
I
You
just
know who this is?
feel like he has like a...
Alright, you got to leave. Alright. Thoughts? Is it positive? Like what you saw was positive?
He's like a 5.
I don't like the cuffs.
You didn't like the cuff on the bottom?
No,
I
I
feel
feel like
like the pants and no.
Yeah, like the pants looked, I feel like it needed like a belt or something, like it looked awkward
Yeah.
on the face. Like maybe not, yeah.
I think it looked nice.
Oh, you thought it was
It
nice.
looked nice.
I don't think the
like
shoes. I
casual,
like
like
the
it
fit.
looked casual, nice. Like,
Casual, clean,
Yeah.
smart,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's rate the guy. I mean, you just can rate him on his looks, obviously. Just
I
tell
give
him.
him 8.
8.
8,
8, okay.
6.5.
6.5. Go back. 7, nice.
5.
5.
7.
7, okay. That's what you're judging for.
6.
6, okay. 3.
Yeah, I did not like the high water pants.
Okay, I just want to say that the average score of 6 is not bad. Yo, the dude's fit was a little bit on the looser side because he was a skinnier frame, but I say this all the time, that professional dapper look, that tailored appearance, women like that. It gives them that feeling that they're with a mature man, a man that makes bread. And I don't want to say that women are after money, but women are after money.
You guys made it hard, that's the thing. You were supposed to think of it. Alright.
Ooh, this one's good. See, I'm curious about this. So many boys drop on these designer brands like Off-White thinking that it's the move. Let's see what girls think.
But I still don't like the fit.
I hate to gloat. I hate to gloat. Look, I hate to gloat because you're spending all this money, but I've been saying this for years, bro. Girls don't actually care about that. When you shop designer, high-end brands, you're doing it for the boys. You're impressing the boys.
I didn't
You don't
like
like
I
that?
didn't think it's I also didn't like his bracelet. No, I like bracelets.
no.
I just didn't like that
That's
bracelet.
that bracelet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like careless and then like the
Very
shirt all big.
He's looked like a rapper, like, yeah.
Something like
It looks like that.
Interesting.
And I don't really like that look. I really go with like a clean.
And this is, so more guy 1 versus guy 2.
Definitely more guy one than guy
More
two.
The
guy
crazy part is that guy 2's outfit is way more expensive than guy 1's outfit.
It's
That's
possible, but
No, because that's what it is. Like everything he was wearing was name brand.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I also think it's very situational. Like I would expect a guy like going out to wear that somewhere like it's very casual, like
Yeah.
and fashion, just baggy pants and t-shirt.
Okay.
Yeah, and I do that too.
Yeah, I
trust
do
me.
that
Like
too.
I dress like super cheap stuff, and I look expensive as fuck. So it's like they
So
can do
brands
it.
don't matter.
For me, no.
Yeah.
No.
What do you rate?
I'll give him a 7, 6.
7?
I'd say
4.
3,
So, okay.
5.
5.
I think I said 1 when he came in, so I'm gonna stick with that.
1? Jeez, alright.
Yeah. 8.5.
Okay.
Vote 4 because he's so
You just
black.
you like this.
He's so black. It's not interesting.
Too much black.
Oh,
I didn't like the
I
bracelet.
like chill. Like that's the kind of outfit.
Then
Like I
like
don't wear
a
sweats and I want to chill at home. Like that's
Ah.
like a chill outfit.
Well,
Like for
that-
the vibes. It's like obviously like if he's gonna take out a date and it's just gonna look like that.
That's
no.
no.
Of course.
Yeah,
Like she
that's why I
said,
said
situational. You're
Yeah.
judging the fit.
Yeah,
Right?
like
Not
a
judging
bit.
the
Like
model.
I can work with that. I can
Okay.
do it.
8.5, I'd say, because yes.
Okay, this is kind of funny. The box that the dude has on, that's part of our inventory. That's where you see the writing on there. That's not even point of the video. I just wanted to clear that out.
Stop cheating.
This is what I have to say about that outfit. I like every item, but not together. Like that,
Every
like
item
I would take,
separate.
like, and like I want them for my, like I think those pants look better on like a girl.
Yeah.
They're
those
too
look
tight.
like-
Yeah.
I will wear the
I
jacket.
like the pants. I like the
I
jackets.
love
Those are cute.
I would wear
jackets.
the jacket to the gym.
Right? And like
But me,
that,
not
that
not
was
him.
that was like a
So
cute.
that's like an athletic athlete.
They look like you can make a really cute retro outfit.
Yeah. Right.
For a girl.
For a girl.
Not for a guy.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
I like
So
to-
athletes
but
for
like
guys.
don't-
The right guy could rock it though. Like I imagine like a nice little bobble head with like a nice haircut.
Yeah.
He plays soccer.
Yeah, like
So that should be the
The
idea.
right guy, like
for the right guy, that jacket would work way better.
So how do you know that's not the right guy? What made you think
The
that?
body.
The body.
the way he's walking
In the
here,
walk,
she's not
like
like
it didn't look.
Okay, girls are kind of savage. So, am I hearing this right? Like unless you're athletic, don't wear athleisure. That's what I got from that interaction. Bump these girls, bro.
So if you were athletic,
For me, it was
They
the
were
ass.
like
The ass is the butt for me.
I mean, I didn't look, was it there?
It was alright.
It was like,
It
it
was
was like
alright.
it could have been there, but those pants didn't do
Do it.
it justice.
Oh,
It's like, I
yeah.
want to
Oh,
see what
yeah.
you got back there. Yeah, he has a bubble butt.
Okay.
It's just like, you need better fitting pants.
Yeah.
I would take those and sleep in them.
I think guys forget that girls care about butts too.
Alright.
Yeah, no, that was like a 2 for me. Like that was bad.
a 3.
3? 4.
3.
1.
Oh my god.
A 2 with socks from Gucci, like. He has a fatty.
Of course he has a fatty, bro. He's wearing essentials and I tailor them so perfectly so they look good on your body, bro. I know what girls are looking at. I know what they're looking at, bro. And I'm gonna bless you March 30th, mark my words.
And then the sweatpants, they're just and
Like they've been washed like 100 times.
yeah, and then like the socks.
That's the type of person that I say that I would look at him and I would say, do you even have a mirror at your house?
Yeah.
What? Me and that chick in the red, we have personal beef. Of course he has a mirror in that house, and he also has a professional stylist, which is me. Would you put him in that clothes? That girl has no taste. I'm not gonna take her word. I don't even like her. You know what? I should have redone this whole entire video.
I didn't think it was that bad.
That's like to look at yourself and should look. Like,
Yeah, again, think about the situation.
No, I hate it.
It's not
Still,
the
it's
supermarket.
That's not necessarily a date, that's
No,
about
no,
like a
yeah.
student,
Yeah.
going to the gym.
I think the color scheme was alright. The green and the navy blue and then the white. It was basic.
That's great.
I'm gonna get that one a 3.
3, jeez, okay.
Yeah, 3.
Okay. 1,
6.
6.
6.5.
Yeah, honestly, like I'm gonna give it a 2 just because the only thing I noticed was the jacket. I don't even remember what else. Like it was just,
We go to something else.
I was like, I have that.
Okay, so it sounds like they got beef with the freaking jacket. Thank God it's nothing essentials. That jacket, I don't even know what brand that jacket is. The point is that we, the Essentials fam, remain undefeated, boys.
5.
5.5.
Okay.
He had a nice run.
Okay, side note, he was supposed to be wearing Crocs. We didn't have Crocs, so we went to Walmart and we ended up getting rubber clogs. Same difference. We're about to see what girls think.
All he needed was a vintage Vine shirt and he would have been like Florida rich boy, like.
Exactly.
Those thighs though.
And the worst thing,
You like the thighs, so you like short shorts.
I don't like seeing them in those shorts.
No.
But they were nice.
He had nice thighs. And why were his socks pulled
I think
like
we
so
talked about
high? Just like clogs? Just clogs?
Like Crocs? I think they're like popular there.
I hated those.
you know, I will feel it will look, not gonna look so, but it's gonna sound so sensitive, but like, take up the shirt and take up like everything else, and just
And then
keep the shorts
shorts
on.
on.
Let's go to the beach, and you're gonna be fine.
That shortness of pants, I only like in the chub bathing suit bottoms.
Situation,
Yeah.
right? Like, okay.
I got bathing suit.
Yeah.
So the
That's why the
outfit
beach.
sucked, but the body.
What did we learn? Well, we learned two things. Your brother Jose, he never fails. I do not miss. And number two, when I tell you to hit the squat rack, hit the freaking squat rack. Women are looking at your quads, boys.
Okay, so if you wear an outfit that accentuates your body, is that a good thing or a bad thing?
A good thing, but that was like not good. That was literally like a one.
One?
Yeah.
God. Okay.
Yeah, too.
I didn't like the outfit, but I love the body, so like 6 or 7.
Did you rate?
Yeah,
3?
Honestly, like a 1 is like still 10.
2.
That's a 0 for me. I became physically ill.
I don't freaking miss, bro. That is a custom tailored suit on that man. I draped him out with the most expensive stuff I had in my closet, bro. Did you see that moment of silence? Replay that moment of silence after he left.
Is it either of this?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. This is the type of clothing that women want.
I think everyone can appreciate a man's suit, but it's not.
They
Yeah.
just look so
You know,
hot.
Yeah.
But
Like,
look at this tattoo,
I
like barely showing. It looked good.
Like that's what I want to bring as a wedding thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
But also,
That's what I want to
but
bring
also
to
for me, like,
dates.
I'm not,
Yes.
I don't know, like,
Restaurant.
when I go on dates where I'm gonna have to wear something to match that energy.
Well, keep in mind, like I said, situation.
It's situational, yeah, exactly, exactly.
In case it's a really nice date.
I don't know, exactly.
Yeah,
Appreciate that.
Imagine, like, I always say, like, I always want a guy who, like, I know, like, I'm not all about myself or whatever, but, like, I know that I'm, like, good looking and I want somebody who, like, represents me, you know? So
Gotcha.
somebody like that who looks presentable all the time, because I'm trying to look my best all the time too, even if I'm going to the supermarket, you know? So
Okay.
it's like, I want somebody who looks presentable. You don't have to wear a suit all the time, but somebody who looks presentable and someone who like represents me out as well. So we are a team.
I feel like it's so different because, like, for her, that, like, she said she goes to the supermarket and she wants to,
Yeah.
like, me, like, I don't look hair. I'm
Correct.
like, obviously, I have times where I would look good a lot, but
Yeah.
I am the type of person who's mostly just wearing pajamas most days. I'd give it, 10, nice on her.
10. I love the pop of color and tie.
Placement.
10? Okay, yeah. 9.
10. I thought it would be minutes.
We were so close to a unanimous one.
Is it a 10? I'll take it home.
Thank you. Hey, you wanted to wear him, that's a 10.
That what you're saying. I mean, I don't care much about the clothes, but the suit are hot.
Oh yeah.
They're
Yeah.
hot. You can dress anybody in a suit. And so,
Exactly.
yeah, very nice.
Yeah. 10, nice.
10, give a French cuff and give me some nice links, maybe change the color of the shoes, and what do you have to say?
You're here, bro.
Okay, I have an ex that used to steal my pants and wear them, and I just feel like he took his pants out of my closet.
I was literally about to say, I have a friend that dresses just like that, and I would never go out with them.
Yeah, just
I
no.
don't like
I mean,
it.
this is one of those average fits that most guys wear.
It reminds me of
I
high
do.
school. Like I'm not in high school.
Teenager, that's very young. High school average.
And none of the guys here are team members, so you know.
I know, right? It's a teenager outfit.
All you need to wear the jeans
And if you
that.
wear anything that says Supreme or Obey, like, no.
Yeah.
You know what's
It has to be the right Supreme, like,
Yes.
item.
Yes. It's like no. I need a little.
This is what I always say.
Yeah.
Most guys buy Supreme, across girls, but they across the boys.
Yeah.
Right up there.
Yeah.
Is that right?
I would give him a 3.
3. Okay.
Yeah.
I would say 4.
Okay.
Yeah, 4.
5. I like red color.
Okay, that's good.
3.5, because he looks nice, but I don't.
I give him a 3 because he triggered me.
Don't take one of his G's. Oh,
6.
6.
2, it reminds me of nice.
Bro, they ruined
Yeah.
my fucking fit with those shoes.
Yeah.
I'm so mad.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
mad. So mad.
Like it's good, but
Why?
not
A
this
lot of guys
shit.
wear Jordans,
I mean,
I
no,
know.
sorry. I'm like, that's like too gringo for me, and like if somebody comes
Oh,
to
jeez.
yeah, sorry, but no, but for real, like I don't like. It was such a nice fit, like so clean, so elegant, but at the same time like chill. And those shoes, you should have had dress shoes. You should have dress shoes. You know,
So all of
these
you
are
would rather see dress shoes rather than Jordans.
yes.
I give it a 5.
5?
3.
Okay.
I would give it a 7 because of the shoes.
The
Yeah.
same 7. Yeah.
Okay.
Love the fit. 6.
Okay.
5.
Okay. Jeez, if we were to take out the shoes, would you go up higher?
Yeah.
They shouldn't be
Yeah.
high tops.
Yeah.
And like the
Totally.
color's nice, but not with the pattern of the
Yeah.
Yeah, like the pattern.
Even if it was your shoes.
I just want to, before we get into it, the man's wearing a $1,000 Fear of God flannel, $1,200 Chelsea's from YSL, and I believe the pants are John Elliott. So he's got about $3,000 on him right now. This is going to be interesting.
Alright.
I couldn't tell if they were going square dancing or like.
I'm not gonna, I liked it. I really liked the outfit.
I don't like the top.
I liked it.
I like
I think
I
that I think that everyone always thinks of like farmer and shit when they see flannel, but it's just like you can't do that.
No,
Like,
I like the combination with the boots for me. Like I love
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
I
I
like
like
boots. The combination with the boots and the flannel with those pants.
I liked it all.
I
I
just
just
didn't
liked
like those
those
pants
pants.
with that. I didn't think
I really
I
like
have
those
flannel.
pants.
I like the
They
flannel.
were like cargo
No,
pants.
just because I know the cost of everything, so I'm just,
I hated it.
the shoes were Saint Laurent, the shirt was Fear of God.
I hated it so much. Like I loved the shoes if it wasn't the other fit.
Yeah.
Didn't make
You know what? It would have made it look better. I think it was he could have worn those boots. I think they need to be black.
Yes, the black would have changed it because I'm just
The beige was the color was really weird with the blue flannel and like the navy blue pant. No, it was gray and navy blue.
They're like gray.
Yeah.
Gray cargo.
Yeah.
Just like-
and I actually did like those
Cargo
pants.
joggers.
Like I thought like I don't really like cargo pants a lot, but
Yeah.
those are they were like
They
slim
were
down.
It's more
joggers.
great.
I would give that one like a 7 or an 8.
Okay, that's pretty high. 4.
1, don't do it.
Please.
Please, see.
6. 6.
1, his pants confuse me. Are they joggers or?
I think it is short. All big. Big hot.
Okay.
Weird.
Last one.
I think the 6. I actually like the boots. I didn't like the pants because they were cargo pants.
Yeah.
I hate cargo shorts, so it's just that was the only thing. And then the flannel was a little too baggy, but if it was a bit more fitted, maybe give it a 7.
What did we learn, boys? 1, 2, you should start trusting your brother Jose, because I'm never gonna lead you wrong. I'm just not. 2, I'm going to bless you March 30th with our new essentials drop. I promise you, like I said, I don't fail, I don't miss. This new collection is gonna be the sickest thing you've ever seen, and I'm starting early. I want you to put a reminder on your phone. That's right, end of the month, 10 a.m. Eastern. The craziest collection you've ever seen is about to drop. And finally, number 3, I wanna hear what the girls have to say. Let them give us a few style pointers.
Perfect. Guys, you're never too overdressed, and we always want somebody who represents us. Don't try too hard, but try.
So it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it, but your shorts should not be shorter than mine.
So guys, men, you're never too overdressed, and make sure that when you're dressed, your shoes match your outfit. Keep it simple. Don't try to make it too complicated. Just try to impress the girl. Just be yourself and you'll get her. I promise.
All right, boys, class is over. I hope you learned more at TMF University than you will ever learn in any other college. That's it from me today. See you next time.